Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be unboxing my July Magical Earth box for Leo, which is my birth sign, my sun sign. Sun sign Leo, moon sign Aquarius, rising sign Pisces, in case you couldn't tell by my videos. Anyways, let's check it out. It comes in a mailer. Let's see what the lovely Janet has in store for us this month. By the way, this is the premium box. It says understanding, intuition, healing, love, energy, sexuality, grounding. Cool. Pretty little sticker. Purple. Yes. So here's the information. I'm getting used to the angle again because I'm back to my normal setup. My favorite, the monthly forecast. Ooh. Okay. Leo, this month is full of potent and transformational fire that ignites the passion and courage, seeing you through challenges and past obstacles, whether they be found within yourself or externally with others. Use the fire energy to burn away all that is false, so that your radiant light may shine. Yes, ma'am. Leo, the willingness to be seen. Archetypical traits and developing qualities: the star, goddess queen, god king, exploration of sovereignty. Wow. Yes, please. All right. What are the chakras? That's really interesting because I'm, working out a study plan for myself. Ooh, looks like one of the items that I got. Ooh, I don't want to read too much because I'm trying to not give it away for myself. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Queen of Wands. Beautiful deck. Wow. Wow. So this is kind of ironic because I'm a fire sign. And wands, rods, staves represent fire in the tarot. So could it be me? I don't know. Oh, this is just beautiful. Just beautiful. I love that. This must be the chakra bracelet. Quartz, amethyst, lapis, light green aventurine, dark green aventurine, yellow aventurine, carnelian, and red jasper. Beautiful. Love it. I've been really into bracelets lately. Oh my goodness, I dropped something. Oh my gosh. Okay. Chakra centers. So it looks like we've got all the chakras, but I'm guessing I've got a stone for each of them. This is a very interesting stone. It feels very light. Saying what this is: red jasper, rose quartz. I think all the stones actually spilled out. A friend also sent me a Chakra Stone Set, and my husband was just talking today about building me little corner shelves, and I was going to have 7 for each of the chakras because I'm getting so many things. I need more places to store them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm assuming one of these each represents each of the chakras. So it says the quartz is the crown. Okay, the amethyst is the third eye. The more to your right. I guess it's like, looks like the blue one is the throat. The rose quartz is the heart. The tiger's eye is the solar plexus. The red jasper is the sacral, and the jet is the root. Very nice. This is Chakra Balancing Essential Oil Blend. Cool. It says lavender, pink grapefruit essential oil, cedarwood, something else, ginger, and tea tree. I can't read it all because I'm blind. Maybe you guys can. Smells good. I got also a while back a Mercury Retrograde Oil from them, and I've been using it constantly. This retrograde's killing me, guys. Pretty little candle. Mmm. Mmm. This is a really lovely scented. Oh my god, so beautiful. Wow. I love it. Wow. I love it. So cool. I can't wait to show my husband. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Okay, so let's look at the insert. We are exploring chakras this month. Look at which area of your chakras that may need balancing. Hold that stone in the palm of your hand and concentrate on that chakra. Other suggestions: put it under your pillow. Hold it over the chakra that feels out of balance. It is always good to keep your chakra stones with you all the time. See the included cards for information. Monthly astrology. Y'all know that's a favorite of mine. Tarot card drawn just for you, which happens to be the Queen of Wands, and I am a Leo. So, I don't know, maybe it represents me. I'll have to look into this. The chakra pyramid, which is just lovely, large, very beautiful. I think this is custom made. Very, very cool. Love it. Wonderful for aligning your chakra. Helps protect against EMFs. Chakra bracelet. All natural stones, perfect for everyday wear to keep your chakras aligned. Chakra essential oil blend, roller ball. Oils: lavender, pink grapefruit, cedarwood, ginger, and tea tree. Citrus. Oh, cistus. I think it says cistus, but it might be citrus. And almond. Use it when you need an extra lift to balance, and it smells great, and it is really helping, so just even a little bit right now. Chakra crystal bag. Wonderful person made these especially for us. Beeswax tea light, handmade, lovely. And then of course the quartz, the amethyst, the Do More tiarite, rose quartz, tiger's eye, red jasper, and jet. And I am going to enjoy it because it is, there's tons of information here, as you can see. Wow, I love it. And it's funny how boxes really kind of align with you, because I have been trying to catch up with my books that I've been reading, but I've also been trying to get my spirituality going, because I've fallen out of my daily practice and I've just been in this most terrible funk. I've been feeling so overwhelmed. And so the problem is I feel more overwhelmed when I don't decompress with my journaling. So I'm in kind of a weird thing. But I'm a person who likes lists and checking them off. So I've been making kind of like a little study plan. And astrology, chakras, the moon, and maybe the elements were going to be like my lesson plans, like every quarter or as I get through them. So this is actually perfect timing. Just like, I mean, everything else I get is always coming in perfect timing. Whether it's meant for me or I know exactly who to pass it on for, everything comes in perfect timing, and you just gotta trust. You always have to put in work. Always work, always try. Things don't happen on their own, but they will be, you'll get some help with the pushing if you always try. So Magical Earth premium box, it's $49.99 or $95 a month. I love it very much. I always really enjoy the stones, especially. They're really high quality. And the ritual tools, the astrology, everything. It's a very well together box. It's one of, I consider one of my most unique boxes. None of my other boxes compare to it. And if you want to see that in action, you can go back and look. I've gotten these since October. Or you can also look at my side-by-sides and kind of see how they compare to the other boxes, and you'll see they're pretty different, but in a refreshing way. So check them out. As always, please like, comment if you haven't already, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon.